In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use my exact client onboarding process in Slack to create a seamless client experience. The first thing I do is make sure the foundation is in place before I open any communication channels. That means confirming the contract has been signed and the initial invoice has been paid. This step is important because it sets clear expectations from the very beginning and ensures the project is officially ready to start. Once those two pieces are complete, I know we can move forward confidently. Next, I send a personalized welcome email. I like this message to feel warm, professional, and reassuring. I thank the client for choosing to work with me and let them know what happens next. I also explain that Slack will be our main hub for project communication and updates. This helps the client understand right away where conversations will happen, so nothing feels scattered or confusing. In that same welcome email, I include a direct invite link to my Slack workspace. This makes joining quick and easy, and it removes any unnecessary friction. The simpler you make this step, the more likely your client is to join right away and start getting comfortable with the platform. Once the client has access, I create a private Slack channel specifically for them or for their project. Keeping the channel private helps maintain organization and gives the client a more personalized experience. It also creates one central place for messages, files, questions, and updates, which makes the project much easier to manage over time. After the channel is set up, I post a welcome message directly inside it and pin that message to the top. This pinned message acts like a home base for the project. I include a friendly greeting along with the most important links, such as the project timeline and the intake form. Pinning it makes those resources easy to find later, which saves time for both you and your client. From there, I remind the client to complete their intake materials. If they need to fill out a questionnaire or upload files and brand assets, I ask them to do that directly in Slack. This keeps everything together in one place and makes it easier to track what has been submitted. I also make sure to establish communication boundaries early. I share my working hours and expected response times so the client knows when I'm available. This creates clarity, prevents misunderstandings, and helps maintain a professional rhythm throughout the project. Finally, I use the Slack channel to confirm the date and time for the kickoff call. During that meeting, we review the project goals and align on the next steps together. Follow this process and you'll create a smoother onboarding experience while keeping your projects organized and running efficiently in Slack.